here before. Well, the music keeps me going, and it makes me want you more. Wanna move and never stop. Let's do it till the morning. And when you hear it drop, look into my eyes and touch me right.
This one was really easy. It only took us probably not even 15 minutes with the window already being clean for the most part. It came on pretty easy. It cut really nice. Let's see.
What do you think about the film?
We really liked it. We've tried some other ones before, and this one just seems a lot easier to install. The clarity of it is really nice.
I feel like it was really soft.
It was really easy. It was really easy to stretch it. Almost little to no effort. And then, like I said, it looks really good. So we'll definitely be ordering overall here, because where we're from, a lot of people go through windshields. So offering a windshield protection finally is going to be really nice. So
Where are you guys from?
we're from Oregon.
Oregon?
Yeah.
Royal Tint.
Royal Tint N Dip.